Y, soaring up freely in the blue sky. F is for fox, look what he can do, dancing and waving hello to you. G is for grapes, purple and bright, bouncing and sparkling, what a fun sight. H is for hippo, happy and grand, dancing around, let's clap our hands. I is for ice cream, a yummy sweet treat, spinning around, oh what a feat. J is for jellyfish, floating along, gentle and graceful, singing its song. K is for kite, flying so free, swaying its tail for us to see. L is for ladybug, crawling ahead, so cute and busy with spots of red. M is for Mickey, dancing with cheer, happy and stepping, he's right here. N is for Narwhal, cute and so round, floating so sweetly without a sound. O is for orange, happy and fun, dancing and swaying for everyone. E is for Panda, look at him go, dancing so happily, putting on a show. Q is for Quail, walking in line, with her cute shakes, oh so divine. R is for rocket, flying up fast, shaking and flaming, what a blast. S is for sun, so yellow and bright, shining down happy with all of its might. T is for turtle, jumping with glee, so happy and dancing, look at me. U is for unicorn, magical white, walking so gently, a beautiful sight. V is for van, driving along, ready for adventure, singing a song. T is for watermelon, happy and sweet, dancing and swaying, can't be beat. X is for Xylophone, colorful keys, playing a tune, floating on the breeze. Y is for yo-yo, green and round, spinning and waving up and down. Z is for zebra, stripes black and white, running so fast with all of its might.